Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi. Which situation can be represented by the expression 1 and 3/10 times x? So remember, this means multiply. So we want to pick something that would imply that we would be multiplying if we needed to actually figure it out. So let's look at choice A. The total cost of an item that is X dollars more than $1.30. So let's say you're not sure, then just come up with a hypothetical number for X. So let's say that was $3. The total cost of an item that is $3 more than $1.30. Doesn't the idea of more maybe suggest that we might be adding $3 to something? So probably not that because this is showing multiplying. Let's look at choice B. The area of a rectangle with side lengths of, so let's pretend that we know that this is 1 and 3/10 and that this is x. Remember, area is the length times the width, or the base times the height, or multiply the two numbers together. So is that the same thing as this? And if it is, then you're going to pick that. All right, let's look at choice C. The amount of change when $1.30 is used to pay for an item costing X dollars. So the amount of change, right? Amount of change. So let's just use a different example that doesn't have anything to do with these numbers. So let's say you give the clerk a $20 bill and the item costs, how about $8, right, for the cost of the item. Then the amount of change that you would get back would be the difference between these two things, right, which would end up being $12. So does that in any way involve multiplication? Because I use different numbers, but this is change when something costs a certain amount. Probably not that. All right, let's look at choice D. Choice D, we're talking about partitioning something. The number of square feet in each lot when 1 and 3/10 acres is partitioned into x equal sections. So that's saying that if we knew that this was equal to 1 and 3/10 acres and we're partitioning it, that means we're breaking this up into a certain number of sections that we don't even know, like this is a section and this is a section. So does that suggest multiplication? When you're partitioning something, doesn't that really mean you're dividing? All right, so choose the one that makes the most sense given everything that I told you.